Good morning. Today we'll discuss a few questions on coordinate geometry on area of the triangle. Okay, three questions we have selected like this. First question, find the area of the triangle formed by these points. They have given, we have to write first given P minus 1.5 comma 3, Q 6 comma minus 2, and R minus 3 comma 4. 3 points are given. Area of the triangle formula, we have to find area of PQR, and we'll tell one easy way to remember. It is cyclic expression. Okay. Here, this one you can take it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. If 3 points are given, we'll find area of the triangle formula like this. First, see x1, and you will will multiply with some expression. X2 will multiply with some expression. X3 will multiply with cyclic expression. How that cyclic expression means? Cyclic expression means 1, 2, 3. If you say x1, 1 afterwards, what you are having? 2, 3. So you have to write here, see, here abscissa values and all we wrote. Inside ordinates values will come. Difference of two terms will come. That too cyclically. Here 1 means next to 2, 3 will come. That means y2 minus y3. Next, if you write abscissa x2, then after 2, what you are having? 3 and 1. So y3 minus y1. Next, if x3 you wrote, 3 afterwards, 2 afterwards, 3, 1, 3 afterwards, 1, 2. This will come. That means y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Half of x1 times y2 minus y3, x2 times y3 minus y1, plus x3 times y1 minus y2. It is a cyclic expression. Okay. Next, see, here, see, same, like this will solve. X1 means what you have tried, minus 1.5, you have to write in brackets this. X2 means you have to write 6, you have to keep brackets. X3 means minus 3, we can write minus 3, brackets. Now, abscissa values over, now ordinate values 2, 2, 2. Difference of two terms we have to take. Y2 minus y3, here y2 is minus 2, minus y3 is how much? 4. Next, if we wrote x2 here, y3 minus y1. Y3 means 4, minus y1 means 3. Next, last, y1 minus y2 we have to write. Y1 where? 3. Minus y2 minus 2. Minus of minus, you can write plus 2. Okay. This one, what we can do? Half of this, you can write minus 3 by 2 like that. In fraction form, decimal I wrote in fraction form. This one is how much? Minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. Plus, this one is 6. 4 minus 3, 1. This is 6 only then. That one, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Now here what we'll get, see. Okay, this minus into minus plus 18 it is. 18 if you divide with 2, 9. So how 9 plus 6 minus 15. So that equal to half of 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Half of 0 means 0 only. So area of the triangle 0. Will area of the triangle will be 0? No. See, triangle, how we'll say? The 3 points should be non-collinear. Non-collinear points will form triangle and some area will be having. Here, if area is 0 means that 3 points will lie on a line. That means they are collinear. That's why their area became 0. If they ask same question, if they ask you to find whether they are collinear or not, you'll find same like this only will solve. We'll find the area. If area is 0, we'll say that the given points are collinear. If some value you are getting there, then means that is the area. Therefore, the points are not collinear, we have to say. Okay, 0 square units we will get. So here we got like that. Okay, here the given points are collinear. That's why we got area 0. Okay, second question we'll see. Now, second question is this. What we are having second question. Find the value of k for which the points 7, comma minus 2, 5, comma 1 and 3, comma k are collinear. Okay. They are telling the points are collinear. That means area you have to take 0. Let first point be A 7, minus 2, B 5, 1, C 3, K are collinear. Given these points are collinear. If the points are collinear, area of the triangle ABC will be 0. Area will be 0. And area formula we know, just now we wrote. If you write x1, y2 minus y3, we have to multiply. x2, if you write x2 times y3 minus y1. If we write x3, y1 minus y2. This is the formula. We know area is 0, that implies 0. This 2 also you can bring this side, that will be disturbing. Now x1, see first x1, y1 is the coordinates of point A, x2, y2, B, x3, y3, C. Now you write x1 means 7. 7 times y2 minus y3, that is 1 minus k, plus x2. x2 means here 5. y3 minus y1. See here minus y1 is minus 2. Then minus y1 will be minus of minus plus 2 it will. Plus x3 is 3 here. y1 minus y2 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Next see. Here this side 0. No need of modulus also. We have to simplify and get the k value. Okay. Here what we, here it is binomial, we can't add, so we have to multiply with 7. 7 minus 7k. Here 5k, 5 distributive property I'm using. 5k, 5 times 2, 10. There see, here these two we can solve. That is minus 3. 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9. Okay, we can add all these constant terms. If you add these two, minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k, that you can bring this side. Therefore, 2k value will be equal to. Now add all constant terms. 17. 17 minus 9 is how much you will get? I think 8. Okay. So its value is 8. First, okay. So twice k is 8. Then k will be half of 8. That is 4. If you take k4, no, then only these 3 points are collinear. Otherwise, they are non-collinear. They are collinear, they confirmed. That's why we take their area is 0. Then we can find that k value. Next, see. One more question. The last question is area of the quadrilateral. 4 vertices are given and they ask you to find the area of the quadrilaters. They have given second question also will arise. Only one question, that is third problem we are doing is the vertices A minus 5, 7, B minus 4, minus 5, C minus 1, minus 6, D 4, 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral they give. They ask you to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. See, directly we can't find area. But what we can do, no, we can take one diagonal. Any diagonal AC or BD you take. I'll take BD. What this diagonal is doing? It is dividing our quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Now here ABC is one triangle, ABD is one triangle. 3 vertices are there. So using area of the triangle formula, you can find the area. Again, BCD, one more triangle is there, you can find the area. So this line, what is dividing? It is dividing the quadrilateral into 2. Therefore, if you find each area and add, you'll get the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, now see. Area of the triangle formula we have to use. That is half x1 times y2 minus y3, x2 times y3 minus y1, x3 times y1 minus y2. Okay. Now see, area of, first I will find ABD. When you are finding ABD, these things, this x1 first we have to write 5 times something. Next, minus, abscess of B times. Next, abscess of D. You have to write this. When you write this, other y2 minus we have to take. Y2 minus y3, that is minus 5 minus 5. Next, if you write x2, then y3 minus y1. Y3 is 5 here, here 7 is there. 5 minus 7. Next, if you write x3, y1 minus y2. x3 we wrote here 4. Then y1, 7 minus y2. Minus of minus plus. So half of minus 5 inside brackets, if you add minus 10, it is minus 4. 5 minus 7. That means dual value will be minus 2. 4 times 7 plus 5, 12. Half of this is 50 minus into minus plus 8, that is 48. So how much you are going to get finally? Half of this is 56. 50 plus 56, 116, like that we are getting. No, see why we write this modulus means if any negative value, distance or area, we can't take negative. So we will write minus 116 means I'll write 1 plus 116 like that at the end. Okay, that you divide with, then you will, what you will get to get. See 56, 106. See, 56 plus 50. Half of 106, how much? 53. It's area, no? So you have to write square units. See. So area of ABD is 53 square units. Next, we will find area of BCD. Same formula we will use. Okay, first we have to write the x coordinates, abscissa values, abscissa of B plus abscissa of C. Here I can write like this. Now, abscissa of D, that is 4. X1 if you write, see here x1, y1, like that also you can write. That is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. If you write x1, what do you have to do? Y2 minus y3, no? That is minus 6, y3 is 5, minus 5. Next, if you write x2, what we have to write? Then y3 minus y1. Here y3 is how much? 5. Minus of minus means plus 5. Next, x3 means y1 minus y2. Y1 here you check for minus 5. And y2 is minus 6, that is minus of minus 6 plus 6. So now we'll simplify this. First inside brackets we have to do. Minus 11 it is. This is 10. Here brackets, inside brackets, if you do 1 it is. So how much we are going to get? Half of the minus into minus plus 44. This is minus 10. This is plus 4. Okay, 44 plus 4, 48. 48 minus 10 means 38 will get. Okay, we are going to get half of 38. Half of 38 means you have to divide with 2, 1. 18 means 9 times. So this area is 19 square units. We came to the end. Okay, area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of, first what we took, ABD, plus area of another triangle, what we took, BCD. These two areas, if you add, you will get the area of the quadrilateral. So that is 53 and this is 90. If you add, how much you will get, you see. If you add ones place, 12 you will get. If you add tens, 1 is carry forward. Tens place, if you add 6, 6 plus 1, 72 square units we got. This is the way to find the area of the quadrilateral when all 4 vertices are given. Thank you.